Good morning, everyone. My name is Chitra Sani, and I'm India Subcontinent Manager for Mount St. Vincent University. I really hope that you and your family members are safe at your home. And I would request you guys to follow all the rules and the precautions just to fight with coronavirus. Today I'm live on the Facebook page of Converts and I will be talking more about Mount St. Vincent University, the city where we are located, Halifax, and what are the benefits of studying in Halifax, Mount St. Vincent University. In this session, we will also be talking about the current situations and how you can still apply for your study permit, your applications, and is this the right time to apply? We will also be talking about all the fears and all the doubts parents are having at the moment. So, where we are located. The Mount St. Vincent University is located in Halifax, and we are a 147-year-old university. Mount St. Vincent University एक बहुत ही पुरानी यूनिवर्सिटी है, 147-year-old university है, and we are a public university. So, after your graduation, you will be having your post-study work right as well. We are located in Halifax, Nova Scotia, which is into the east corner of Canada. हम लोग हेलीफैक्स नोवा स्कोशिया में लोकेटेड हैं और जो यूनिवर्सिटी है वो डाउनटाउन से सिर्फ 10 से 15 मिनट के ड्राइव पर है. हेलीफैक्स इज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ नोवा स्कोशिया. नॉट ओनली दिस, द लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ अटलांटिक कनाडा. हेलीफैक्स नोवा स्कोशिया की कैपिटल सिटी है एंड वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग सिटी है कनाडा की. हेलीफैक्स एज अ सिटी बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं अगर आप वहाँ पढ़ने के लिए जाते हैं. दिस इज नोन एज द कैनेडा स्मार्ट सिटी. क्यों बोलते हैं हेलीफैक्स को कैनेडा स्मार्ट सिटी? हेलीफैक्स को कैनेडा स्मार्ट सिटी इसलिए बोला जाता है क्योंकि स्टूडेंट पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है. सिटी में हर 1000 रेजिडेंट्स में से 80 स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं 80 जो हैं वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं या तो वो किसी कॉलेज या किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में स्टडी कर रहे हैं. नॉट ओनली दिस, वी आर हैविंग 6 यूनिवर्सिटीज इन द सिटी जो कि एक दूसरे से 10 मिनट की ड्राइव पर हैं. So the population of the city is approximately 4.5 lakh, out of which 60,000 are university students or college students. Then एक पेरेंट्स का डाउट रहता है कि एज अ सिटी लिविंग एक्सपेंडिचर कैसा रहेगा, क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन कैसा रहेगा, एंड स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सेफ है या नहीं है. Halifax is a very safe, loving and welcoming city. It's a very diverse city. There are people from all around the world and it has lot of things to offer. Halifax is having the second largest port of Canada. कनाडा का सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट पोर्ट हेलीफैक्स में है जो कि गेटवे है 150 कंट्रीज के लिए. That means it's a business hub. Business hubs, that means it will be having more jobs in coming future. So full time jobs का काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं. एक पेरेंट्स स्टूडेंट्स का डाउट हमेशा रहता है अबाउट द पार्ट टाइम जॉब. सो हेलीफैक्स इज वन ऑफ द टॉप टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन ऑन द राइज. यस, आप गूगल भी कर सकते हैं इसे. सो वन ऑफ द टॉप टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है जिसके करके यहाँ पर रेस्टोरेंट्स कैफेज ज़्यादा है. So there will be part-time jobs. We do understand and I hope you can also understand because of COVID-19 tourism में अभी jobs नहीं है and it is not recommended. The whole world is in lockdown situation. We hope things will back to normal very soon. But as per the Canadian government एक बहुत बड़ा decision अभी लिया गया है इसी week में that the students are allowed to work more than 20 hours. यस, जो इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हैं कनाडा में वो अब 20 घंटे से ज़्यादा काम कर सकते हैं पर वीक, लेकिन ये काम सिर्फ वो असेंशियल सर्विसेज में कर सकते हैं. लाइक वो फूड डिलीवरी में काम कर सकते हैं, हेल्थ केयर में काम कर सकते हैं. सो there are opportunities and Canadian government is really supporting towards the international student. It is really gratifying to see how Canadian government institutes where the students are studying, also the local people have come forwarded to help all the students. सिटी में जगह जगह पर फूड बैंक्स भी हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत हेल्प कर रहे हैं. सो द सिचुएशन वी अंडरस्टैंड इज नॉट वेरी फेवरेबल बट जितना भी हो सकता है कैनेडियन गवर्नमेंट, लोकल और इंस्टीट्यूट्स बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स को. इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस कि ये सिचुएशन सिर्फ हैलिफैक्स या कनाडा में है, ये पूरे ही वर्ल्ड में. एंड वी कैन जस्ट प्रे दैट थिंग्स विल बैक टू नॉर्मल वेरी soon. So let's back to the university. The Mount is located just 10 minutes from the downtown in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and is recognized for its small class size, great support, and personal approach of learning. So we believe in one thing, hand-on experience, the practical learning. All our program are having some sort of work experience in all the programs. And the Mount also believe that the growth does not happen by accident. To reach new heights and the full potential, the student needs the right environment and the right support. Because study abroad जब student जाते हैं तो they don't have their family or friends there. A great level support required रहता है, and Mount is supporting all the international and the local students. जो support service है that is excellent. And at Mount we focus on how we can help our international student to reach their full potential. So Mount is helping all the international students and the local students. Mount is having around 4,400 students from 77 different countries. The Mount was built on the foundation of equality, diversity, and we are committed to it. So where Halifax is located? Halifax is located in Nova Scotia in the east corner of Canada. The city is located on the sea coast. That means weather is not very harsh. The temperature may drop minus 10 degrees Celsius during winters, and it is better than other part of Canada, most of part of the Canada. So it's not very harsh. We have already discussed about the job opportunities, the weather condition. I will be talking more about the university now. The best thing about the university, if I have to describe the university in one sentence, that will be the Mount is a small and supportive community, and the student don't have to miss out big city experience. So our class sizes are very small. Average first year class size is just 23 students. All our professors know their students by name and the face. So all the international students get right amount of time to interact with the professors. Even the classes for May intake, the students who are already at university taking the classes online. So our online classes are having all type of options, raise hand option, they can chat, they can put up the questions. So quality of education is there. We are having 4,000 plus students from 77 nationalities. You'll be surprised to know that 80% of our students are from Canada. So 80% student जो है वो कनाडा से है. You are not going to miss out on Canadian exposure. Few of our programs are offering great level of research options. And then one thing which make us unique, that is experiment learning. All our programs, be it a diploma, a bachelor degree, or a master, is having work experience. It could be anything. It could be a co-op, or it could be a practicum. So whenever you will be studying at the Mount, if you are studying at Mount St. Vincent University, and once you graduate from the university, you will be fully prepared how to work in the real environment. So let's talk about where the university is in the city. We are just 7 to 10 minute drive from the downtown. It's a beautiful, very beautiful green campus of 40 acres. It's a beautiful campus of green space, and it's just one road across the ocean. It is very accessible. We call it a connected campus. क्यों बोलते हैं हम connected campus Mount St. Vincent University को? Because it is very accessible. आप public transportation से भी पहुंच सकते हैं university, and इसके अलावा on campus accommodations available हैं. And then we also have off-campus accommodation at walking distance. There are few students जो off-campus accommodations में रहते हैं जो कि walking distance पर ही है. Then there are all type of societies. You can be a part of international society, economical, environmental, or any special interest society. The university is offering a great and excellent international student support. There will be a airport pickup from the university, and it will be free a day before the orientation. अगर आप orientation से एक दिन पहले जा रहे हैं तो आपका airport pickup free रहेगा university के end से. Then we do have a certified immigration advisor. If you are having any doubt and you want to know more how to convert your study permit into your post-study work right after you graduate. We do have a certified immigration advisor on campus. Then we do have career pathway assistance. This is an excellent service and support provided by the university. So what happened, most of the students who are going to Canada, उन लोगों ने कभी जॉब नहीं किया. They actually don't know how to approach employer, and the resume is totally different. Resume pattern is totally different from India. So this career pathway assistance time to time organize sessions on resume writing, question answers, how to approach employers. And if you're having any doubt regarding what kind of job opportunities and how you can approach employers, you can reach out to career pathway assistants. They will definitely help you out, and it will be helpful for you as well. So apart from the university where we are located, and we have already discussed about the city, let's talk about what are the options if you go for on campus accommodation. We are having 3 residents. I'll be talking about a CC hall. A CC hall is a 12-story building, and you don't have to share your room. You'll be getting your private room, and you'll be having a full-size closet, a dresser, study table, a single bed. It come along with a shared lounge area, shared pantry, shared washroom, and it is along with unlimited meal plan. By saying unlimited meal plan means there will be a buffet system. Most of the parents and student always ask, vegetarian food रहता है, non vegetarian food रहता है. Yes, there will be option for both. So it's depend on the students. अभी भी जो लोग स्टूडेंट्स हमारे रेजिडेंस में रह रहे हैं, द यूनिवर्सिटी इज कीपिंग अ चेक ऑन देम, एंड दे आर टेकिंग ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट पैरामीटर्स फॉर देयर सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी. So it's not very expensive if a student is going for on-campus accommodation. It will cost them $9,990 for one academic year, including meal plan, internet, Wi-Fi, power backup, and heat backup. And though because of this COVID-19 situation, I request student and parents to go for on-campus accommodation, because see, though we are very optimistic September 2020 की जो classes रहेंगी वो traditional classes रहेंगी face to face, but in any case there are certain issues, and अगर तब तक ऐसा कुछ ठीक नहीं होता है, इट इज़ रिकमेंडेड कि आप 14 डेज के लिए सेल्फ आइसोलेशन में जाएं. सिंस आपका सिंगल रूम रहेगा यूनिवर्सिटी अकोमोडेशन पे, दैट विल बी really helpful for you. Now, I really want to discuss about the programs we offer. At Mount St. Vincent University, we are having a number of programs. We are offering undergrad programs. There are 3 categories for undergrad programs. We do have 2-year diploma programs, 4-year Bachelor of Arts and Science, and then we have amazing professional studies programs. So these professional study programs are again 4-year programs, but these are having some work component in this. I'll be discussing about most of the programs. So अगर आपने grade 12 का भी एग्जाम दिया है या आपका रिजल्ट पेंडिंग है, if you haven't appeared for your IELTS, आप फिर भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आप कंडीशनल ऑफर लेटर के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. You just have to provide your pre-board results or your expected scorecard, and for IELTS once things will back to normal, आप अपना scorecard तब submit कर सकते हैं. We do not accept Duolingo or PTE. We are accepting only IELTS and TOEFL. So I'm again repeating it. जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी ग्रेड 12 के एग्ज़ाम अपीयर नहीं कर पाए हैं, जिनका रिजल्ट पेंडिंग है IELTS का, वो अभी भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम टू अप्लाई. सो जैसे ही लॉकडाउन पीरियड फिनिश होगा या फिर कोरोना वायरस ठीक हो जाएगा, सो यू विल नॉट मिस आउट ऑन September 2020 इनटेक. दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम. और एक और बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है माउंट के बारे में, द ऑफर विल बी वैलिड फॉर 2 सेमेस्टर्स. अगर September 2020 में आप नहीं जा रहे हैं, वही ऑफर लेटर वैलिड होगा January 2021 के लिए भी. एंड यू कैन ब्लॉक योर सीट्स विद जस्ट कंफर्मेशन पेमेंट ऑफ $500. आप अपना सीट ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी में 500 डिपॉजिट के साथ, कैनेडियन डॉलर्स के 500 डिपॉजिट के साथ. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्रोग्राम. फॉर बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स एंड साइंस वी डू ऑफर कैनेडियन स्टडीज, कम्युनिकेशन, economics, psychology, sociology, women's studies, public policies, political science, biology, chemistry, mathematics, many more programs. These all are 4-year of programs and available in all the intakes. We are accepting application for September 2020 for all the programs. देन वी डू हैव 2 year डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम्स। 2 year डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम्स में हम 2 ही डिप्लोमा ऑफर कर रहे हैं। वन इज डिप्लोमा इन बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड वन इज डिप्लोमा इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड टूरिज्म मैनेजमेंट। दोनों ही डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छे हैं। एज वी डिस्कस दैट टूरिज्म इज प्राइम इंडस्ट्री इन हैलिफैक्स, जैसे कि मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में ही आपको बताया था कि हैलिफैक्स इज वन ऑफ द टॉप टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन। So tourism is a good program to do at Mount St. Vincent University, not because we are located in Halifax, but also we were the first university of Canada to start a dedicated program in tourism and hospitality management. Yes, we started this dedicated program in Canada. Apart from that, we do have a teaching kitchen at campus. So whatever the students are learning in their theory classes, they are getting hand-on experience in our teaching kitchen. We call it Vincent Restaurant. To know more about Vincent Restaurant, you can check on our website, that is www.msvu.ca. Then we do have a 2-year diploma program in business administration. जैसे कि हमने पहले ही डिस्कस किया है, मैंने आपको बताया था दैट हैलिफैक्स इज वन ऑफ द टॉप टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन प्लस अ बिजनेस हब। यस, हैलिफैक्स एक बिजनेस हब भी है बिकॉज सेकंड लार्जेस्ट पोर्ट है सिटी का। सो बिजनेस के लिए भी काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज रहेंगी जब स्टूडेंट ये डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम क्लियर करेंगे। Now let's talk about our hidden gems. Professional studies. Why I'm calling them hidden gem? Because these are amazing program. Basically, professional studies are again 4-year bachelor degrees, but they are having work component. So the first program I really want to talk about is Child and Youth Study. Child and Youth Study is the only university level program in Atlantic Canada. Yes, you hear it right. पूरे अटलांटिक कनाडा, दैट मीन्स 4 प्रोविंस में सिर्फ माउंट सेंट विंसेंट यूनिवर्सिटी चाइल्ड एंड यूथ स्टडी प्रोग्राम ऑफर कर रहा है 4 ईयर की ड्यूरेशन का। नॉट ओनली दिस, इसमें 500 आवर का प्रैक्टिकम है। दैट मीन्स बिफोर ग्रेजुएटिंग स्टूडेंट विल बी हैविंग 500 आवर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। एंड ऑल्सो द स्टेट, the province of Nova Scotia is focusing on pre-primary education. Yes, यूजुअली कनाडा का जो स्कूलिंग है वो स्टार्ट होता है प्राइमरी से, बट फ्रॉम 2019 नोवा स्कोशिया गवर्नमेंट ने मैंडेटरी किया कि सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो कि एज 4 एज 5 में हैं वो एक क्लास एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज़ प्री प्राइमरी। और जो हमारे स्टूडेंट हैं माउंट सेंट विंसेंट यूनिवर्सिटी के जो कि चाइल्ड एंड यूथ स्टडी पढ़ रहे हैं वो अपना प्रैक्टिकम मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स इन सेंटर्स में करते हैं जहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए प्री प्राइमरी क्लासेस चल रही हैं। सो they are more than eligible to go for these posts for pre-primary teachers. So this is a good program to do. Next, we do offer a BBA with 7 different specialization. Bachelor of Business Administration with 7 different specialization. आप कुछ भी चूज कर सकते हैं from accounting, management, marketing, international option, general studies, non-profit leadership, and human resource management. The best part about our BBA, we do not require grade 12th level business, accountancy and economics. Yes, हमें business, accountancy and economics नहीं चाहिए. We just required English and mathematics of grade 12th. I understand सभी students के पास mathematics नहीं होता है grade 12th में, so we do have option for those students. माउंट में ऐसे बहुत से प्रोग्राम है जिसमें मैथ्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है, बट वो जिन स्टूडेंट्स से मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ा है वी डू हैव अ ऑप्शन फॉर देम, जिसके बारे में मैं थोड़ी देर में बात करूंगी। नाउ वन थिंग अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम BBA, वी आर हैविंग 1 year ऑप्शनल कोऑप। दो इट्स ऑप्शनल कोऑप, इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी, बट इट इज़ रिकमेंडेड कि आप ऑप्शनल कोऑप ऑप्ट करें। वाई? अगर आप ऑप्शनल कोऑप लेते हैं तो आपको प्रोग्राम फिनिश होने से पहले 1 year एक्सपीरियंस मिल जाएगा रेलिवेंट इंडस्ट्री का, जो कि बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा आपके फ्यूचर करियर में। द नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस इज Bachelor of Science Applied Human Nutrition. It is a very, very good program for those who want to make their career as a registered dietitian in Canada. And it is not a plain program. This is accredited by the Dietetics of Canada. Yes, you hear it right. ये program plain नहीं है, ये accredited है Dietetics of Canada से. So once you complete this program, you are eligible to write an exam for the license for registered dietitian. And registered dietitians का demand बहुत है Canada में, पे स्केल भी काफ़ी हाई है। The next program I would like to discuss about is 4-year bachelor degree in tourism and hospitality management. We have already discussed कि ये program करने का क्या benefit है, but for our 4-year bachelor degree One thing that is different than the diploma is 3 paid co-op. There will be 3 paid co-op in our tourism and hospitality management bachelor degree. The last program we do offer is public relation. We become the first university to start a 4 year bachelor degree in public relation in 1977. Yes, 1977 में माउंट सेंट विंसेंट यूनिवर्सिटी ने पब्लिक रिलेशन में 4 year का बैचलर डिग्री स्टार्ट किया था. So we were the first university to start this program. And for quite a long time, I must say almost for 2 decades, we were the only university to have a 4 year bachelor degree in public relation with co-op. But now we are one of the 2 university, but still we are the pioneer in public relations. It is an amazing program to do, and this program is available only in September intake. This program is for those students who are very interested into communication and interacting with people, marketing, management. Public relation is a very, very good program, and there will be a huge demand in coming future. So these are the undergrad program we are offering. The requirement for our undergrad program is grade 12th with 60% overall. No subject should be less than 50%, and the first language should be 55%. So अगर आप हमारे किसी भी अंडरग्रेड प्रोग्राम के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, we expect 60% ओवरऑल, 50% किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में होना चाहिए, एंड आपका जो फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज है, लेट्स से इट्स हिंदी और पंजाबी, उसमें 55% मार्क्स होना चाहिए. फॉर लैंग्वेज रिक्वायरमेंट, Mount St. Vincent University accept application with 6.5 band overall, no module less than 6. बट अगर आपका ओवरऑल 6 बैंड एंड इन ईच भी 6 है, आप तब भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं विद आर यूनिवर्सिटी ब्रिजिंग प्रोग्राम. University Bridging Program is basically an English program, and the duration for this is 13 weeks, and the fees is 4,000 Canadian dollars. So you can still apply for September 2020 intake. We also offer some of the master's program. The requirement for the master's program is very different. It is varying from program to program, so I cannot discuss all the programs here. But if you want to apply for any of our master's programs, you can contact to Convert. They are our authorized partner, and they will guide you. So the application fees for undergrad program is $40, and master's की application fees है $50. We are still accepting application for September 2020. You can process your application from the comfort of your home. You can contact Convert counselors. They will guide you for the further processing. And if you are still having few doubts, you can just contact them. And if you want to talk to me, they will connect you with me. I hope this session was informative. And in case you still have some doubts or you want to get your profile assessed, please send your documents to Converts. Thank you. Have a good day.